Hi everyone, in this Clickfunnels 2.0 tutorial you will learn how you can offer paid appointments to your customers and collect payments at booking. Thanks to the new appointments feature, it's now possible in your Clickfunnels 2.0 account and you don't need to use other third-party software like Calendly or Acuity for that. And you can set everything up in no time. Now, if you don't have your Clickfunnels 2.0 account yet, you can find a link to a free trial in the description of this video. And if you use our link, you will also get our Clickfunnels 2.0 course as a bonus. And if you're already using Clickfunnels 2.0, in the description you will find a link to a package deal that will save you almost 50% on your Clickfunnels 2.0 subscription. Now let's set everything up. Before we create an event in the appointments section, you should ensure that you have a Payments AI account created and connected to your Clickfunnels 2.0 account, and that you already have connected one of the payment gateways, for example Stripe or PayPal. If you have not done it yet, go to the Payments AI and follow the steps that you will see on the screen. And if you already have everything connected, then you can go to the next step, and that would be creating a product. To do that, go to the Products, then click Create Product. The product is needed so that Clickfunnels 2.0 knows how much a customer should be charged when they book an appointment. And also in the settings of the event that we are going to create, we will connect this product. Give your product a name, add some description if you want, select Digital and click Create Product. Then set a price for this product and select one type, and I believe that's the most appropriate price type for this product. Click Set Price. With that, we have our product created. If you want to learn more about the product settings, everything that you can adjust here, you can watch a tutorial by clicking on the card up here. After that, we can go to the step number 2 and go to the appointment section. Before we create an event, you should connect a calendar and also set your schedule. If you want a bit more guidance on that, watch this video. Assuming that you have a calendar and a schedule in place, you can go to the event types, click Add Event Type, select event type that you want to use. I assume one-on-one would be the most appropriate here. Give the event a name, select a domain that you want to use. You can adjust the path of the event link here if you want, add some description, select the page primary color. I will go with the yellow one, and also if you want, add an image or a logo. As always, you can either select an image from your gallery or upload an image from your device by clicking on the link here. I also don't want to have the Clickfunnels branding, that's why I will toggle this on. Next, we have a few scheduling settings. First, you need to select how long people will be able to book this event, to book an appointment. I would go with indefinitely. Then set a duration. Select the host, availability schedule if you created multiple. Location type is conferencing, and conferencing type is default, because for now Clickfunnels 2.0 only support Google Meet for online meetings. Next, we have the payment section. First of all, toggle this on, because we are creating a paid appointment. Next, we are going to connect our product that we created. Click on this drop-down and select a product that you created for this paid appointment. As you can see from the description here, the person who is booking an appointment with you will be required to pay this amount, and they will have 10 minutes to pay the invoice, or their appointment booking or the invoice that was created will be voided. There are some more settings that you can adjust for your event. For example, select the buffer before and after event, the appointment schedule buffer, and so on. And you can go through all of them and change them to your liking. You can also leave everything like it is. And in the future, if you want to change something, you can go to the settings of the event and change these settings. After that, click Create Event Type. If you want to edit the event in the future, you would need to go to the settings here. If you want to delete the event, use this icon. And if you want to preview the booking page, you can click this icon. And that's what we're going to do next. We will see how the page looks and what the flow will be for your leads or your customers. But before you do that, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on the future content. To preview the booking page, click this icon, or you can also copy this link. By the way, it's the link that you will share with your leads or customers to book an appointment with you, and open it in a new tab. On the left, we see some information about the event, the logo that I selected, the name of the event, the duration, where the event will be conducted, and the price for this event. After that, as a customer, I can select a day and the time that fits me. Then your customers will need to enter their contact information. They also will be able to add some guests or add some notes for you to prepare for the call better. As mentioned before, after that they will have 10 minutes to pay the invoice to confirm the appointment. By clicking on this button, they will go to the checkout page like this, where they are offered multiple ways how they can pay for this appointment. Once they schedule an appointment with you, you will receive an email like this, although this email doesn't include any information about if they paid the invoice. And the customer who scheduled an event with you will receive an email like this that includes information about the upcoming event and also the links to reschedule or cancel the event. If you go to the scheduled events, you will also see this upcoming appointment. Assume that if a customer doesn't pay for an appointment, this event will be removed, and you may also receive an email with the information that the event was cancelled. How do you see if the customer actually paid for the appointment? One of the ways would be go to the customers, contacts, then find the contact that scheduled an appointment with you. You will see their email address in the email that you received about the appointment confirmation. Then click on the name of the contact to open the information. Go to the orders, and here you will see either the pending order, and if the order is already paid, you will see status completed. If you click the link here, you will see the details for the order. And in case the appointment doesn't happen, either you or they cancel the appointment and you need to refund the payment, you can also do it from the settings of this order. Just scroll to this payment section, click on this icon and click refund. Then you can even select a different amount. Let's say you want to provide only a partial refund, and after that click refund. And you can now see that refund appeared in the payment section. That's all you need to do to set up a paid event in Clickfunnels 2.0 and give your customers a possibility to schedule a paid appointment with you. You don't need to use third-party software for that anymore. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on the future content.